everyone, welcome back to Your Travel Bestie. I'm your travel bestie Tara, and today we're tackling our favorite topic, packing for vacation.
No, God!
I know packing for vacation can be overwhelming, but I've come up with a few techniques that may help you pack a little bit more efficiently. It helps me, and I'm hoping that it'll help you too. So first things first, let's talk about the destination. Where will you be going? What is the weather like? What type of activities will you be doing? Based on this information, you can kind of tailor your packing, whether it's a beach vacation or a city escape. Once you figure those things out, then we can move on to packing our clothes. Everyone has a basic packing checklist, right? I have one. If you want it, let me know in the comments and I will link it to you. So there's nothing to discuss there really. I actually try on the clothes that I plan to wear, including shoes, including shapewear, including jewelry, take a picture in it, and then I plug it into my fit check list. If you're a free spirit, this is not for you. For those of us who have to have a plan, this is indeed for you. Let me know if you like the fit checklist. I will send you the link to what I've created so you can use it on future travel. It's a calendar with everything I plan to do for the week, and then I plug in my outfit. Now there's two reasons I do this. One, it helps not to overpack. And two, you want to make sure that you look good, feel good when you're on vacation, and you won't be like frustrated when you don't have anything nice to wear. Now let's move on to the shoes. As for shoes, the shoes that you wear to the airport, that's one pair. And then I try not to pack no more than 3 pair in my bag. So that's slippers, that's maybe a pair of sandals, and a pair of heels. Try to make sure that those shoes match with every clothing item. Sometimes they don't work out that way. Do what you gotta do. And then you'll go on to packing the usual. Your underwear, your socks, your bras, your undershirts, your shapewear, socks, things of that nature. Pop quiz. If you're going on a vacation for 5 days, how many pair of underwear do you pack for this vacation? This is always a fun and funny topic, but let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Now, accessories can level up your outfits. You know, you don't want to leave without maybe a couple of pairs of sunglasses, a hat, your jewelry. They not only add a personal touch to your outfits, but we also want to look good for the gram. Okay, they have cute little jewelry organizers that you can purchase from Amazon. As for me, I throw all of my jewelry into a mesh pouch and I throw it in my bag. The tech and entertainment bag. Now this is where I get excited because I pack a lot of gadgets. Now one thing I never leave without is a portable charging bank. Of course, all your cords and cables to charge your phone. I like this Anchor cube. I can't remember the name of it, but it has, I think, 3 to 4 plugs and then 3 USB ports. Now there are all sorts of bags you can get. I have a GoPro bag, which I put all of my GoPro gear inside of that bag. I found these flat bags from the Dollar Tree, and with these flat bags I can roll up my cords and slide them in, lay them flat in my backpack. And lastly is a tripod. You can't leave without a tripod. I carry 2 because I don't like to switch back and forth. So I have one for my GoPro and then I have one for my phone, which comes with the remote. Next up is the toiletries and your makeup. Don't forget to pack your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your face wash, your makeup. For you makeup enthusiasts, please bring your must-haves, but also keep it simple and versatile. Make sure that whatever you bring, you can take it from day to night. That way it cuts down on the space you need for packing. I use these simple mesh bags that I got from Shein they were Velcro and they rolled into one bag, but I just detached them and use what I need. Now we're on to packing efficiently. There's always an argument between flat lay, rolling, and cubes. For like dressier items that I want to stay, you know, kind of wrinkle free, I will flat lay those on one side of my suitcase. For everything else that's everyday wear or undergarments, then I'll put those in packing cubes. I like to keep my things organized. There's 2 more things that I'm going to talk about that's personal to me, and one of them is a fan. For whatever reason, I don't know if it's the country girl in me, but I cannot sleep without the sound of a fan. And then secondly, from time to time I pack wine. Before I was just wrapping everything in bubble wrap, but one of my friends put me on to these wing it bags. We are packed and ready to go. So now we're going to do a mental checklist. Passport, check. Ticket, check. All important documents, check. You've run your mental checklist, and now we've zipped up our bag and we want to do my very last step, which is to weigh your bag. Get one of these little handy dandy scales from Ross, Walmart, wherever, and weigh your bag before you leave, because we don't want that drama when you get to the airport. So whether you're a carry-on girly only or a checked luggage girly, I hope these steps helped you in some way. If they did, please let me know in the comments, and also share your packing techniques. They may be helpful to me as well, or others out there. Let's share and help each other. Happy packing, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.